Well, guys, we have walked about a mile. We walked back to our little spot, which is way the hell down there, and did not see any fish. Everything's frozen over, just like the lake out here is completely frozen over. There's so little water running, it's almost impossible to find a hole with any fish in it, except for this one little spot right here by the parking lot, right here by the spillway. There is just a few fish hanging in here. We go downstream, it's way too shallow for them, and I've checked all that. The lake's completely frozen over. Can't ice fish here. So we are going to try this little spot right here. There's nobody out here. It's 28 degrees. It's freaking cold. The fish are probably hibernating, but we're going to give it a little shot, see if we can get a little something here. So stay tuned, and I'm going to get set up. Okay, this is the first cast. What I've got on here is a little mini woolly bugger, an olive. Followed that with an RS2. I see a few fish surfacing, so who knows. My bugger is weighted, so that might be an issue because this is moving too slow for a weighted fly. Just using this because that's what I had on the line from last time I went fishing. There we go. First fish right on the bugger. Yeah. Right on the little miniature woolly bugger. Let's get him in here. Okay. Nice little fish. Nice little rainbow. Come here, buddy. He's pretty, isn't he? Pretty fish. Okay, we'll let him go. See you, guy. Okay, that's what I've done, because if you look out here, I can see a few fish surfacing. I'll leave my strike indicator on just because I'm too lazy to take it off. I've got a little Parachute Adams and a little Damsel Emerger, because these guys are surfacing, so I'm going to see if we can get some action with that. And my guides are frozen, can't get the line out. Okay, break off some of this ice so I can hopefully cast. There we go. Now it flows. That's a problem fishing this time of year. Okay. Let's see my dry fly. It's a Parachute Adams, size 18. The damsel should be right behind that. Just roll it out there. There we go. Took the damsel behind the Adams. Nice little guy. Probably about 12 inches. There we go. Nice. And he's already let go of the fly, so we're just going to let him go real quick. There you go, buddy. And away he goes. Back out there. There's one. There we go. Again on the emerger. Just kind of what we expected when we saw the fish surfacing. Come here, little guy. We'll let you go quick. We will let you go. There we go. Okay. Let's get you unhooked, buddy. Right in the top of the lip. Nice little guy. There we go. And away he goes. Nice. That makes 3 for us. Just a short amount of time. There we go. Okay. Oh, my hands are cold now. Ooh, there's one. 2 casts in a row. How about that? 2 casts in a row. Oh, this guy's feisty. Here, buddy. Look out for that floating ice cube. Okay, let's get you unhooked real quick. This guy's feisty. Feisty little guy. This guy's smaller, but he's definitely feistier. Here we go. See you later, buddy. Okay, 2 casts in a row. Wow. Wow. I like that little damsel emerger. I only got it about 6 inches. Sorry, it's cold. 6 inches behind the dry fly. Just watching the dry fly, not the strike indicator. There we go. Oh, missed him. Missed him. Would have been 3 in a row. Oh, that one took the dry fly. That one took the dry fly. I hope we got that on camera because that was cool. That was cool, man. It was a little bit bigger. Another stalker size, but larger stalker. Okay, buddy. On the dry fly. Get you unhooked real quick. Come here. There we go. Another nice little rainbow. We'll let him go. Well, guys, that was fun. We found this one little pool here of open water. You can see out there, everything's frozen, including the lake, most of the creek, lots of snow. It's cold. Didn't even get above freezing today, but it's better than -11 it was the other day. And we managed to catch some fish on the fly rod out here. I don't know what we caught, a half dozen, give or take, but it was fun. I'm freezing cold. I probably got snot coming out of my nose. It was a fun time. I want to thank you guys for joining us. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe if you want to see more fishing around Colorado and wherever else we make it to. Thanks a lot. We'll see you again next time.